Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi Gail, happy birthday. And here's Kalay.
Hi, happy birthday.
Gonna sing a song for you. Never find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. I sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the darkness you can see, I'll be the light to guide you. I know where we're made of. We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, and I want to. I'll be there. And I know when I need, I can count on you. Like for things no longer there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you. So hi Gail, happy birthday. Ayaw kalimti akong pasalubong nga snow. Thanks to Kalay. Char akong singer.
Hi!
Kay, akong snow ha. Char. Happy birthday. Nata na adre para mong libre. And bye. I love you.